everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add 3D crystal effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the video. Click on the video, click on it, and after this you can click on the animation. Click on it, and now you can click on the combo, and after this you can swipe until you can see a crystal 3D or a 3D crystal effect. This is the 3D crystal effect. In here you can see crystal 1 and a crystal 2. You can choose everything, the crystal that you like. I wanna try to add a crystal 1, and after this in here you can set the duration for the sticker for the crystal, and after this you can click check icon in here and finish. So that's how to make a 3D crystal on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.